Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. In this video I'll explain my bachelor thesis is develop a e-learning course, a security based compare between cloud computing and traditional data centers. As you know, the traditional data centers in some company it's need architecture and more technical and maintain every time and performance, and this very expensive and very high. So now some company migration to the cloud computing. Cloud or cloud computing can simply defined by computing resource that can be leased, in another words, that data centers that organization have now, including the hardware device and software applications, will be leased from the cloud service provider which has hug data centers that are often in different geographical areas. This service provider allows server many organizations and charges them as well depending on their usage of the service. This about cloud computing. And the first of all, in this slide, definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resource. For example, network and servers and storage and application and service that can be rebuilt, proficient and released with the minimal management effort of service provider interaction. This definition of cloud computing. In this slide we have cloud service model. We have three cloud service model. The first one, SaaS, is short of software as a service. The second one, PaaS, is platform as a service. And the third one, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. The first one, SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. Is the first category is where application themselves are provided as a service, which allow the customer to lease the software that what he need without worrying about the leasing or overhead. For example, we have here email, Google Drive, and iCloud, and Dropbox. The second one, PaaS, is a platform as a service. The second category is where the platform provided as a service, where the customer can choose the best environment that fit for his purpose, because the requirement of environment for developing Android system is different from the requirement of hosting a hospital system with a large database. For example, we have here application and deployment and support and web and streaming. This all of them is for the platform as a service. The final service model is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is the final model, can range from a wide variety of infrastructure hardware like a memory, storage, and raw servers and connection lines with different speeds and bandwidth. This about the service model. We have here cloud deployment models. We have here fourth deployment models: public cloud and private cloud and community cloud and hybrid cloud. Cloud deployment models is the preceding was regarding the service types, but there are another classification for the deployment of the cloud. Cloud technology can be deployed different models. Every model has a benefit and restriction. Let us talk about the public cloud. Public cloud, it's more like the public internet, with more service but some access restriction, and meaning that anyone with the appropriate credentials can access the service of public cloud. Private cloud is a group of computing resource and applications that is managed by one organization, and so all those resources can be accessed strictly by any member of branch of that organization. And the third one, community cloud, where the computing resource shared among more than one organization, but usually not that many. A good example might be the organization and it is partners sharing the same cloud infrastructure to do their calculations and distribute their reports among them. This about community cloud. Hybrid cloud, last deployment models, that anyone or that any of the mountain models can execute with any other models. Hence the name hybrid, that means all of them is under name the hybrid cloud. This about cloud deployment models. Thank you for watching, and I wish you enjoy for this video. Any question, type in the comment.